Hi everyone, today we'll be playing this game called Head Full of Numbers. What you will try to do is use all the numbers in the dice, or only the numbers on the dice, to make many different equations to score and to earn more points than the other people that you're playing against. So when you open the box, you will find a head. You will have dice that you put in, and one person shakes it up and dumps the dice out. Once all the dice are out, you put the dice in this holder so that everyone can see, and every person takes one sheet from this pad of paper. Now you might have time to play more than one game, but only take one paper. You can always turn the paper over and use the back side. That way we won't run out of the papers for everyone. So I would write 2, 6, 2, 4, 7, 3 here, and then there are many lines on this paper, and you will write as many true equations using only the numbers on the dice as you can. So you might say 6 minus 4 equals 2. There is a 6, a 4, and a 2 rolled, so that equation works. I can't say 6 minus 1 is 4 because there's no 1. So again, I can only use the numbers that were rolled. I can put numbers together to make double digits. I can't add them together. I can't say 2 and 6 is 8, so let me use 8 in an equation. Can't do that. But I can put the 2 and the 6 together side by side to make a double digit. 26 minus 24 equals 2. Now there are only two 2's here, but I can repeat a number only if it's an answer. I can't use 2 plus 2 plus 2 to make my 6. I hope that makes sense. You can also make equations using greater than or less than signs or equal to signs. So I might say 6 is greater than 4. That's true. Now do not only have greater than, less than, or equal to equations. The goal is to get you to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So I will say no more than 3 greater than, less than, or equal to equations on your list. There's also a timer in the box. So as soon as every person gets all 6 numbers recorded on their sheet, one person will flip the timer over, and that is the amount of time that you have to get as many true statements here as you can. You can use the space here if you have even more equations than there are lines. So the directions are in the box, but here's how you go about scoring. The goal is to get 50 points first. And to earn points, you get 1 point for every correct equation. So you take the time to go around the group and read all of the equations so that everyone can check that, yes, your equations are correct. If you have a unique equation, so an equation that no one else in your group has written down, you get 2 points for that equation. So it's important not just to do the easy ones, because you'll get more points the bigger or the more complex your equations are. The player who has the most correct equations earns 3 extra points. And like I said, you play until someone gets 50 points. So that's where you might want to turn your paper over to do a second round if you need to do that until someone gets to 50 points. If for some reason you run out of space on both the front and the back, you can just get a plain piece of paper to continue playing. Your entire group should be playing this with you, so make sure that everyone is there and ready to go. And I hope you guys have a great time.